Good morning and welcome to the channel. Today you join me, well, I'm in Spike Island. So the aim of today is just to take some sunrise shots just through the Gateway Bridge, which you can probably see just behind me in the distance. I've arrived here at 5 o'clock this morning after finishing work, and I've kind of done this vlog the wrong way around really. I've taken a load of images this morning and now just started to do the actual vlog. So yeah, a little bit strange, but yeah, bear with me. So we're fast approaching sunrise, which is about 20 past 6. I can just see in the distance the sky just starting to glow. So I'm going to concentrate getting a few images now, just sort of see what I can get whilst the sky is starting to have quite a nice orange glow to it. So yeah, we'll see what we can get. So this is a location I've been to a number of times. I've done a couple of vlogs from here as well, and it's never really been a successful, sorry, I think I'm just being bitten. So this is one of these locations that I've been to a number of times, purely because it's local, and B, because actually it's quite a good area to actually get some decent shots of the new Gateway Bridge. You've got the old Witness Runcorn Bridge, which is behind you guys now, and yeah, you've kind of got a bit of a choice between the two bridges. So yeah, the main aim today is really just get some sunrise shots and get those perfect conditions. Now we've got some nice cloud in the sky, and then there's a bit of a break where the sun's actually starting to rise. So I'm just going to focus on getting a few images that just involve a bit of colour and a little bit of drama into the sky. So as you can see, the sun's just started to rise just right in the distance there, just underneath the pillars of the bridge, or the main structure of the bridge. So I'm going to take a few images now, and yeah, bracketing each of these shots as well, because we've got quite bright light with the darkness of the bridge. So I just want to make sure, sort of guarantee we get everything in within the shot. I think for this opportunity I'm going to raise it up to f/22, just try and get a bit of a starburst. So you can probably tell I've not got a lot of time with this sunrise. The sun's just about to go above the clouds. I've probably got about another 10 minutes yeah, photography time before the light starts to get a little bit flat. So I'm just going to take what I can whilst I can. Gosh, this sky is absolutely gorgeous. I'm just focusing, I've got some wild flowers in the foreground, so I'm just taking, well, incorporating those into the images just as the light's hitting on them as well, giving quite a bit of a nice glow to it. The sun is really not far away from those clouds now, so I think once it goes behind, there might be a little bit of colour, but yeah, not really a lot to play around with. So yeah, just sort of trying to take as many images as I can. I've gone from waiting here for best part of an hour and a half for nothing, taking a few images whilst the lights on the bridge were all illuminated. They went off, everything just went a little bit flat, and I thought, is it really worth staying? And then all of a sudden it just broke. And this is the whole thing about photography. It's such a waiting game. You're waiting so long for the conditions to be right, and when they do, you've just got to be ready to strike. Now the problem with doing photography and video is you've got to sort of, you know, talk to you guys, let you know what's going on, and also get the images as well. So yeah, double the challenge, but yeah, well and truly worth it so far. Well, there we go, the sun's pretty much gone now. It's just about to hit the cloud. There's yeah, it's gone a little bit more flat, shall we say. Probably still see the side of my face being illuminated, but certainly nothing to what it was. But I'm so glad I just got those probably what 10-15 minutes of sunlight that were just seem to be right. I mean, I'm saying it's right, I've not even checked them in the computer yet, so yeah, I'll let you guys be the judge of that. So let's just get a little bit close and personal. So as you can probably tell, I'm still using the Nikon D7200 for the images this morning, and that's because my camera has come back from the repair shop, but it's written off.
Oh no!
There's damage within the internals of the camera. Apparently there's water that's got into the camera and completely corroded the internals of the D810. So yeah, a little bit miffed off. So I'm claiming through my home insurance because it was done as an accident whilst I was out taking a couple of images one evening, and yeah, it's one of those things, unfortunately. So yeah, I've claimed through the household insurance. It's now gone off again for another review, another strip down and sort of understand what's going on with it. So hopefully I should get it either repaired and sent back to me, or if not, a replacement camera. So yeah, we'll see what happens. But yeah, I'm still happy using the Nikon D7200. Back to the old school. It's absolutely fantastic using it. Let me know in the comments what you think of the images, whether the quality, you've actually noticed a difference between my last images and when I was using the Nikon D810. I'm not sure you will. The plus side of using this D7200 is the files are much smaller, so you fit a lot more on the memory card. I think it's 2,300 can fit raw images on the on a 64 gig card, I think it is. Sorry, midges. Whereas on the Nikon D810 it was just over, I think it was 1,700. So when I throw them all in the computer, it's a lot faster processing. You can do a lot more with the images faster. You can do panos a lot easier. It doesn't take up half the memory of the computer to try and generate these panos. So yeah, I'm really enjoying the smaller file size. That said, when the replacement does come, it will be like for like. So it may be the Nikon D850 or the new Z7. Yeah, I'm not sure. Let them do their bits and pieces, let them come back to me, and we'll see what we can get. Yeah. So as I said before, it's a bit of a strange vlog, this one. I'm limited on time again today. I'm back in work tonight, and because I've not been able to get out and do a vlog for so long, the weather conditions just haven't been right. I've not been feeling right. Nothing wrong, I just haven't had the inspiration to actually get out there and do a vlog. And yeah, it just doesn't gel. And I think when you're not in the mood to do a vlog, I think it certainly comes across on the camera. The amount of vlogs I've actually gone out and done, I've not been in the mood, gone to edit them, and they've just been awful. I've scrapped them completely. So yeah, I'm in the mood this morning, so I thought, yeah, get out and take some images in my local area. One thing I do plan on doing over the next couple of weeks, once I've got the new camera sorted, is actually travelling further afield again, hopefully going into North Wales, into Lake District, over towards Yorkshire. I do have a trip planned beginning of September, sort of mid-September actually, over to Massam in North Yorkshire, place where I used to work, used to live, and yeah, sort of revisiting over there. So that'll be quite interesting to actually do a vlog from there, do some images, and yeah, hopefully throw it all together to bring out an enjoyable vlog. So that's one where I'm actually going to be traveling a little bit more distance. That sun's started to come out again. 1 minute. Whew. Well, apologies for taking images there, but it does just show that you should never put your gear away until you're convinced nothing else is going to happen. Even though I was convinced nothing further was going to happen, but yeah, as you can probably tell, the light on my face. In fact, I'll turn you guys around there. Yeah, it's really starting to kick off again. Anyway, yes, where was I? So yeah, going further afield in the next couple of weeks. Hopefully I've got a little bit more time off work. That's been absolutely crazy. But yeah, time off work, yeah, do a bit more exploring, get the new camera sorted. Yeah, excited to get it out there and use that, and yeah, sort of do videos again really. The last couple of weeks or last few months, it's been such a struggle to get out. Obviously it's been the kids' holidays as well, so obviously my family comes first. Apologies, but yeah, my family comes first, so I've been entertaining the children, yeah, going out for days out and stuff. We've been expanding our garden as well, sort of cutting back a load of trees and yeah, basically cutting my arms and whatnot. Oh, ow. But yeah, just doing all sorts of things like that. So yeah, unfortunately photography and video have sort of taken a back step, but that's going to change over the next couple of weeks, and certainly as we start coming into autumn, which is the ideal time for any photographer, is to get out there and just sort of take images of those beautiful colours. It's never good getting out in the middle of the school holidays. Everything is absolutely rammed. No matter where you go, you can't park. Sort of beauty spots are all taken up by families. Yeah, it's certainly no good for photography, and obviously because it's the summer as well, the sunrises are so much earlier, the sunsets are so much later. Yeah, it's just combining the two together, and it's just a recipe for disaster. So yeah, there will be more videos, so apologies for the lack of videos over the past few weeks, but yeah, that will change. I've not quit. It's not something that I'm going to be quitting. It's something that's really going to motor on as we approach autumn into the winter, and then into spring as well. So yeah, stay with the channel. So as the morning starts to progress, I can see a few cars and trucks going over the bridge. It is Bank Holiday Monday this weekend. The Creamfields Festival has just finished. I think that finished last night. So no doubt there's going to be some sore heads and yeah, packing up of tents and gear. So I'm going to wrap up myself, finish off here, head home, get some sleep, and then head back into work tonight. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. If you haven't done so already, don't subscribe twice, because that really doesn't work. If you enjoyed the video as well, give me the thumbs up. Leave a comment, let me know who you are, where you're from. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So from yeah, Spike Island, it's a rather strange but glorious morning. Yeah, probably time to say goodbye. All the best, take care, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye now. Oh, before I go, actually, I've got to show you this sort of this setup I've got here. So I'm just going to take a photograph now of yeah, what my setup is. And look at that for a Frankenstein of horrors. It's got my Lume Cube and my microphone, this weird sort of bracket thing, and then the Osmo Action camera on the side. I hope it's all worked. I hope that the sound is connected fine, and yeah, and I'm looking quite sharp in this light, but I don't know if it's actually really needed now. But yeah, this is my setup. Have a look, and yeah, that's it. All the best. Take care. Bye bye.